Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Well, in this video, I will proceed from where we stopped in our previous video berkenaan dengan lines, copy, command kan. So, tetapi kali ini dalam video ini saya nak ambil few exercises, okay? Few exercises that kita boleh applykan untuk line, command line dan juga command copy yang sebelum ni telah kita went through. Okay now, since katakan I nak buat bentuk ni, semua ni, lakaran ni, okay, dengan melibatkan penggunaan line dan copy. So kita dapati bahawa exercise ni dia punya unit ni, okey, katakan kita nak menggunakan unit matrix, okey, matrix mm. So kita go to file here, new file, right, new file. Dia lambat sikit. Okay, then if you still remember, template ni kita tidak menggunakan AutoCAD kerana AutoCAD adalah dalam unit imperial, manakala AutoCAD ISO dalam unit matrix. So we are going to choose AutoCAD ISO. Okay, double click this one. Okay, I'm going to set my unit. So I'm going to go to format and then I'm going to go to units. Okay, so again, I'm going to leave this with decimal without any decimal point. Millimeters should be okay. Alright, so it seems like okay for me. The rest of the parameters, so I just click OK. So I don't want, for the time being, I don't want to set my drawing limits. Okay, should be okay, no problem. So if you see carefully here di sini, panjang ni dia 12 kali 12. Okay, 12 mm kali 12 mm. So we're going to click line, and then I'm going to make sure that my orthogonally should be on. Okay, pasal apa? Pasal saya nak buat dia tegak. So saya nak buat kotak ni dulu. So I click anywhere here. Okay, first click. Then I'm going to bring my cursor here, and I'm going to hit in 12 mm. Enter. It's very small because it's only 12 mm. Okay, never mind. I'm going to zoom this. How are we going to zoom? Scroll lah, scroll. Bring our cursor to here, dekat sini sikit kan. Jangan klik apa-apa kan. You just scroll saja. Scroll perlahan. Okay, just nice. Then you need to bring your cursor upwards. Again, masukkan 12 mm. Okay, panjang dia atau ketinggian dia. Press enter. Then bring your cursor to here. Bering saja, jangan klik dulu. You just bawa dulu cursor ataupun mouse ke belah kiri. Kenapa? Kerana kita nak create line belah sini kan. So just press 12 mm juga, enter. Dan last kali ni kita boleh just go and find out the endpoint lah. Okay, klik. Okay, so make sure that you punya snap ni, object snap ni, object snap dia adalah 4 segi hijau tu lah, pasal dia endpoint. So once after dah complete this one, just click tekan escape button pada you punya keyboard. So I just would like to check, tadi I lupa nak check I punya drafting settings. So I need to go to tools, drafting settings, and then I'm going to make sure my object snap ni, okay, kita punya object snap yang tadi tu kan, object snap endpoint semua kan, I dah select semua. Dan I need to make sure that both of these object snap adalah on. Begitu juga dengan object snap tracking, kita should be active or on both of these. Alright, so once confirm semuanya okay, so I just click okay. Now I'm going to proceed with this one. Mana jarak antara sini ke sini adalah 6 mm. Okay, jarak daripada tepi sini ke sini, garisan ni, lakaran garisan straight vertical ni adalah 6 mm. So I just command yang boleh I guna pakai adalah sama ada I copy. Okay, this is the first one, copy this line ataupun this line, pasti dia 12. So I nak copy sini 6. honest, di sini pun 6 lah, so I can choose either this line or this line. So I can choose either this line or this line to copy. So I just click to copy this one, click this one. Okay, remember, lepas sebaik sahaja you dah select objek ni tadi, mana I dah select objek ni, yang mana objek ni ataupun line ni I nak copy ke bahagian sini sebanyak 6mm. Selepas select, you kena tekan enter. So cursor dia pun dah berubah macam tu kan. Right, then I'm going to start here and bring my cursor to here. Jangan klik lagi. Okay, just bring saja cursor you ke sini lepas you pick first point, no, starting point. Bring to here, then just press 6mm, enter. Okay, dia dah sudah, just press escape. Okay, another one more thing is that since ini tengah-tengahan, dia ni 6 garisan ni adalah berada pada tengah-tengah daripada garisan ni, so you boleh straight guna line je. Guna line dan you cari midpoint. Kan, kita dah belajar sebelum kan midpoint ini dia pasal endpoint because of this one lah. Okay, katakan contoh sekali lagi, so I'm going to delete this one. Dan contoh yang kedua yang you boleh buat ialah you just click this one line, go and find out the midpoint, nampak midpoint, then straight away you punya auto masih lagi on nampak auto. Okay, cursor auto tu masih lagi on, so from here midpoint to this midpoint, click dan escape. Sama je, mana dua cara you boleh guna. Okay, now ini sama juga ini dengan 6. So in this particular case you boleh buat garisan line starting from this and midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, then press escape. You boleh juga gunakan copy di sini, tetapi dia akan ada terlebih. Tengok I'm going to delete this one. Okay, ini tadi kaedah pertama gunakan line. Okay, yang ni tadi, dan from this midpoint to this midpoint, pasal dia 6mm kan, sekali lagi di tengah sama dengan ni. But I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to show to you another one more, which is kalau kita macam, how about kalau kita nak gunakan copy. So I'm going to bring my cursor and pick this icon which is copy command. Then I'm going to select either this one or this one. Okay, this line or this line. Because why? Kerana kita nak copy 6mm sini, ataupun kalau kita pilih di bawah ni, kita nak copy 6mm ke sini. Let's say I'm going to pick the bottom one. Click this one. Okay, ingat bila dah pilih kita, we have to press enter. And then I'm going to start from here pun boleh, here pun boleh, here pun boleh. Okay, so I'm going to start from here. Make sure you endpoint endpoint, click. This is my first point, nak gerakkan dia ke atas sebanyak 6mm. So tekan, masukkan 6mm, then press enter. Alright, then just escape. Alright, sekarang ni kita dapati dia ada terlebih ni kan, so kita kena trim. Sebab tu kita nak trim garisan kat sini ni, from here to here, garisan ni kita kena trim. So what you need to do is that you just need to bring your cursor still under home tab. Okay, under home tab, dia under modify. So it is this one. So kalau you click, if you expand this arrow, please do not get confused between icon trim dengan icon extend. Dia lebih kurang sama je, hampir sama. Okay, so jangan terkeliru lah. Okay, so trim should be this one. Okay, so you just click trim. Okay, and it is much more easier for you to select all. You can just simply click here, then select all. Okay, ataupun sekali I escape, I tunjuk sekali lagi, go to here, trim. Kalau ni mudah tak apalah, you can just simply select. Kalau banyak okay, banyak dan besar katakan you punya sketch, you just need to bring your cursor here, klik di dalam command line ni, dan type all, ELL type ELL. So klik, make sure dia ada. Okay, so you dah pilih di situ ELL, all. Ini salah satu cara lagi lah. Okay, kalau macam sketch you kecil je macam ni dan simple, you just boleh window selection, gunakan window selection kan, seperti mana yang telah saya tunjukkan tadi ataupun sebelum ni. Tapi kalau kata kalau sketch you besar, okay, let's say if your sketch quite big and quite complex, so you just simply bring your cursor to this command line and just type all. So once after you type all, just press enter. So dia akan pilih semua sekali, semua sketch yang ada di dalam environment ni. Di dalam environment you buat, semua sketch yang telah buat, dia akan pilih. So once bila you dah pilih trim tadi, all, okay, bila you dah select all tadi, you need to press enter. You need to press enter. So dia akan tanya, okay, kita nak trim yang mana satu. So we going to trim this one. Okay, we going to trim this one. Remember kena press enter, pasal ramai student sebelum ni dia kata, kenapa tak boleh sir? Okay, why can't? I already tried, but still can't proceed with the trim command. This is because you do not press the enter button. So I'm going to show to you once again. Go to here, trim, select which object. I'm going to select all, this one. Then after you select, press enter. Okay, press enter. Then I'm going to eliminate this line. So just click that one. So once confirm everything, and then press escape button in order to exit from any activities. Alright, now I'm going to proceed the last line, which is starting from this point to here. So I'm going to just simply click line. I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to end it to at this point. Okay, so once confirmed, then just simply press escape button. Right, so finish. Okay, never mind. Let's say we proceed. I'm going to pan here a bit, so I'm going to create another one more exercise over here. Okay, there are a few more exercises. All of these exercises, okay, you can get it from daripada Unit System. I dah uploadkan pada Unit System, so nanti you boleh ambil you boleh ambil daripada Unit System, and you can try dengan menggunakan you punya AutoCAD software lah. Alright, so let's say katakan I nak buat ni. Okay, katakan saya nak buat. Okay, so okay. So kita dapati di sini ni 16 mm, ni 8 mm. Sini daripada sini 4 mm. Okay, tinggi daripada sini 8 mm. Okay, never mind. So in this case, I'm going to create a rectangle, the top rectangle first, this one. Okay, so I'm going to pick line, and I'm going to make sure that my auto still on. Okay, just click mana-mana tak kisah. Just click mana-mana tak kisah. Click line, just click mana-mana tak kisah. Click here, and then this key in 16 mm, enter. Then bring your cursor upwards, 8 mm. Dan pasal kat sini dia 8 Ni 8 kan ketinggian dia kan. So 8 mm. Press enter. Then 16. Enter. Then bring it downwards and close this sketch. Okay, then press escape button. I'm going to pan, move it upwards a bit. Right. Alright, so now I'm going to create here, from here to here is 4, same as well as here, but then from here to here down here is 4. So I'm going to create a guideline. Okay. But before that, I'm going to copy this line, because the distance from here to here is 4, so I'm going to create this line. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one. Press enter, then start from this endpoint, moving downwards sebanyak 4 mm, key in 4 mm, then enter. Then I'm going to press escape button. Alright, and then I'm going to create guidelines. So I'm going to create one line here. Okay, this is my guideline. Okay, this is my guideline. So I'm going to start from the middle because ini di tengah-tengah, kan, di tengah-tengah. Okay, ini sebenarnya kita boleh buat separuh je, nanti kita mirror, tapi kita belum masuk lagi chapter mirror, so I just show to you one by one lah how to create this by using lines. Okay, now since ini tengah-tengah, berada pada tengah-tengah, so I'm going to start here at the middle here. Okay, and then I just bring my cursor go to here, dan dia punya ni jarak daripada tengah ni ke sini ada 8 mm. So I'm going to bring my cursor upwards and then key in 8 mm, 8 mm, then press enter. Right, then I'm going to press escape button. Okay, remember escape button kita nak exit from any activities. Alright, so now I'm going to create this one, both of this, 1, 2. Since this line is at dia punya location, dia situated at the midpoint ataupun center of this sketch here. So I'm going to copy this line. Once after I select, I've already selected this line, so just press enter. Then I'm going to start it from this point and bring it to the left sebanyak 4 mm. Pasal di tengah-tengah, ini dia tengah-tengah, garisan di tengah-tengah. So dia akan gerak ke sini 4, daripada tengah ke sini pun 4. So I'm going to bring my cursor to the left and then key in 4 mm, enter. Then jangan escape button dulu, bring my cursor balik to kali ini sebelah kanan, to your right hand side, then press 4 mm. Okay, 4 mm, then press enter. Okay, bila dah confirm sini, maknanya from here to here is 8. So once you dah confirm, then you can press escape button. Okay, how are you going to make sure that the distance between this endpoint to this endpoint 8? Okay, kalau kita perhatikan dekat annotate ke dekat mana, kita ada satu, kalau saya besarkan dekat bahagian sini dia ada, saya besarkan sekejap. Okay, dia ada measure. Okay, under utilities dia ada measure. So expand this distance from, okay, dia tanya specify first point, from this point to second point. Tengok pada command line, second point, our second point is this one. Click. Distance 8 mm, 8 mm. So confirm already. Alright, so I'm going to minimize this. Okay, we're going to proceed with the next. Okay, which is I'm going to just simply create this line. So since kita dah tahu the distance from here to here is 8 mm, okay, 8 mm. Okay, and the distance from here to here pun kita dah dapat, we already created this now. So what I need to do is that I just need to go to line, bring my cursor to here. Okay, go to here and go to here. Ni midpoint, kenapa dia midpoint ni? Midpoint untuk garisan menegak ni okay, so click this one. Once after confirm, then just simply press escape button. Now garisan tengah ni I boleh just simply delete, click that line, then press delete button. Tetapi the rest ni, yang garisan ini, garisan ini, garisan ini, dan garisan ini, all these 4 lines or 4 entities in CAD, kita panggil dia entities. Entities tu bermaksud garisan, bulatan, okay, arc, okay, polygon, semua tu kita panggil entities. Okay, di dalam CAD lah, dalam CAD kita panggil entities. Dia macam object, it's kind of object, it's an object. Okay, tapi di sini saya cakap garisan je. Okay, senang nak faham. Okay, so kita sekali lagi saya nak tunjukkan garisan ni, garisan ni, garisan ni dengan garisan ni kita tak boleh just simply delete. Kita kena trim. Dia bukannya independent macam yang tadi tu Kalau saya undo, garisan ni dia independent. Dia independent, kita dah tak perlukan dia lagi, dia independent. Tetapi kalau kita nak compare to this one, kalau kita delete ni, kalau kita delete kan, press delete, kita kena trim, kita tak boleh delete pasal dia bukan independent, dia akan melibatkan garisan ni nanti. Macam ni independent, dia tak ada terlibat apa-apa pun. So that's why kita boleh just simply delete. Tapi kalau ini, both of this kan, kita nak delete, kalau kita delete, nampak dia hilang. Dia akan hilang pasal dia straight satu garisan di sini, okey, dan dia melibatkan yang garisan di bawah ini. Cuma bahagian atas ni saja kita nak trim. Sama juga dengan yang ni, dengan garisan yang ni. Alright. So macam saya cakap tadi, we can go to trim. Trim is located under home tab, alright, or home tab. So go to dia under modify. So go to here. I'm going to expand this and click trim, and I just simply click my cursor over here, then select all. So once I just selected all the lines, okay, all the sketches, I just simply press enter. Don't forget about that. And then I can start with my trim. Okay, I can start with my trim. I don't want this line. Click this one. I don't want this line. Then click some more. I don't want this line. Okay, if we refer to this figure, I don't want this line. And the last one, I don't want this line as well. So once after confirm, you just need to press escape button in order to exit from any activities. There you are. Okay, so alright. So I'm going to move all this sketch a little bit upwards. So what I need to do is that I just need to go to here, as you can see over here. Move icon is under home tab. It's a move icon. Click this one, right? And then select all these. Then once after you already make the selection, press enter button, and I'm going just simply pick anywhere my first base point. Okay, I nak gerak bermula daripada mana? Daripada point mana? Dia tanya ni sebenarnya lah basically. So I nak katakan I nak start di sini, dan since my auto is on, so I'm going to off it so that it's free movement. So I'm going to locate it somewhere just beside around here. Alright. Okay guys, so I'm going to show to you another one more. Okay, all of this you can try out by your own. Okay, later on about the lines together with an angle. Okay, so like this kind of exercise as shown in this figure. So I'm going to pan. Okay, I'm going to pan a little bit here, then press escape. Okay, I'm going to zoom it a bit. Okay, now I'm going to create this one. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create the bottom line, which is 80 mm, 80 mm. Alright, 80 mm. Ataupun you nak mula daripada atas pun boleh. Okay, nak mula daripada atas pun boleh. So I will start with the top one. Okay, mana-mana boleh, bawah pun boleh, atas boleh. But I plan to do it at bermula pada bahagian atas ni. Alright. So I'm going to start with line. You tak kisah mana-mana boleh. You nak bahagian buat garisan bawah pun boleh, bahagian atas pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, let's say I'm going to start with the top line, which is 30 mm. So I'm going to I already click my line here, so I'm going to create here from anywhere. You just can click simply anywhere. And don't forget to auto on. So I'm going to click this one so that my auto will on. So the distance is 30, the length. So the length of this line. So I'm going to masukkan 30 mm, then press enter. Okay, dia terlebih sikit, so kita buat macam ni, zoomkan dia, then press escape button. So I'm going to move this line a bit here. Kalau tak, nanti dia akan ganggu yang kita dah buat tadi. So I'm going to press move here, click this one. Selepas you selection, ingat dalam AutoCAD every time kalau selepas you buat selection, you dah confirm selection tu, then you want to proceed with another step, you just need to press enter. Then I just simply click anywhere here, and I am going to bring it somewhere around here. Okay, besar sikit, boleh tak ganggu yang tadi tu kita buat. Okay, now I dah create this one. So now I'm going to create here this line. Line ini, okay, dia 42 panjang dia. Okay, so I just simply click line, start from this endpoint, and then I'm going to make it straight away. I'm going to bring my cursor downwards. Okay, so, and then I'm going to key in 42. Then press enter. Okay, then you can just simply press escape button. Tapi you dapati bahawa ini 90 darjah, di sini 122 darjah. Okay, so sekarang ni kita kena rotatekan line ni. Okay, supaya dia punya angle ni adalah 120 darjah. So, another one more new command that I would like to share with all of you is this one. It's rotate. Okay, dia under home tab. Kita boleh tengok pada modify dan dia adalah di sini. Kita letak di sini rotate. Okay, so kita since over here to here is 90 darjah, so kita kena tolak lah 122 tolak 90 darjah. Okay, 122 tolak 90 darjah, dia 32 dah, 30 darjah balance dia. Okay, 120 darjah. So I'm going to click this rotate icon and then select object. I'm going to select this line ni yang I nak rotate nanti. So selepas I select and I confirm I nak rotate line ni, selepas I dah select, remember every time after you make any selection, then you press enter to proceed with the next activity ni. Next activity dia tanya base point. So rotation point dia adalah di sini, bukan di sini. Kan pasal kita nak rotate kan dia ke sini nanti kan. So rotation point dia, I click this end point. Okay, alright. Okay, in this time I can off. I just can bring my cursor off my auto. Okay, auto. Alright. And then if you still remember, kedudukan dia tadi di sini kan. So kita dah tolak tadi 122 tolak 90 darjah adalah 30 darjah. So I just need to key in 30 darjah. Tetapi 32 darjah dia ada mestilah negatif. Why negatif? Pasal if you still remember during our first video I dah explain kalau kita tak aktifkan clockwise tu, so anti clockwise ni adalah positif, clockwise tu adalah negatif. Alright, so kalau you tak apa ni, you just go through dengan kita video balik ya, video pertama kita balik kalau you tak ingat lah. So I'm going to key in negative 32 enter. Nampak? Kalau you buat positif 32, okay, kita tengok macam mana pula. Saya undo. Kalau saya go to rotate, select object, I'm going to select this object, enter, and my rotation point is here. Make sure you end point, click. Katakan I masuk 32, I tak masukkan negatif 32, dia akan bergerak ke sini. Saya off kan, dia akan bergerak ke sini, bukannya ke sini. Alright, pasal dia anti clockwise dia adalah positif, counter. Okay, anti clockwise dia adalah positif. So katakan saya masuk 32, okay, 32 enter. Alright, so that's why we do not want to key in, jangan key in positif 32. Okay, off ni, and then I click rotate, click this like as my object, then press enter, and this is my rotation point. Okay, so you just need to click key in negatif 32, negatif 32. Okay, press enter. Kenapa negatif 32? Kerana pada asal dia tadi garisan yang 42 yang kita create tadi tu, kita create dia menegak di sini. Okay, alright. So balance dia untuk kita gerakkan adalah merupakan 120 darjah tolak 90 darjah yang ketika dia menegak tadi tu. So balance dia 30 darjah. So kita just need to add another negative 32 degrees di mana kita punya rotation point adalah di sini, pada bahagian sini, right? So now kita just simply create one line. So kita dah confirm kali ini straight horizontal line start from this endpoint. Okay, so I kena auto on supaya dia boleh straight horizontal line. Confirm ni 50 darjah lah, 58 darjah lah. Okay, so kita just key in 80, 880, enter. I'm going to pen it over here a bit, and then I just close it over here. I tak perlu escape lah. Okay, I just need to simply bring my cursor and go to here endpoint. Okay, then once confirm, press escape button. Okay, right guys. So again, if you want to check dia punya, I'm going to expand this, maximize this. Again, if you would like to check dia punya angle, yang tadi 58 kan, I tengok balik 58 dan 122. Alright, so you just need to go to dia under home tab, go to measure ni under utilities. Okay, so click this one, so you can check the angle from, dia tanya from here to here 122. Alright, so I'm going to press escape button again. Here, from here to here is 58. Click expand this one, go to angle from here to here is 58. Confirm 58. Alright, so it means that kita telah menghasilkan lakaran-lakaran yang betul lah ni. Okay, so guys, I think that's all about our video for this time. Di dalam video ini saya ada tambah satu lagi command, which is rotate. So hopefully that you play around with this command. Kalau kita tengok pada exercise yang setelah saya bagi pada anda, you can upload it dalam Ulearn. Kita ada this one, alright. Kita ada this one, so you can play around with the rotate command later on. Okay, alright guys, so thank you for your attention. So I will see you in our next few more videos. Thank you very much.